How to use your TRUGLYX 1 mg pen. Check the label to ensure it is the correct medicine. Step 1. Prepare your pen. 1. Check that the solution is clear and colorless. 2. Take a new needle. 3. Screw on a new needle. 4. Pull off both needle caps. Save the outer cap. Step 2. Check the flow. For a new pen only, turn to the flow check symbol. Press and hold the button until a drop appears at the needle tip. Step 3. Select your dose. Turn the dose selector until the counter stops at 1 mg. Only the 1.0 confirms your full dose is ready. Step 4. Insert your dose. 1. Clean the area with an alcohol swab. 2. Insert the needle. To be injected subcutaneously in the abdomen, in the thigh, or in the upper arm. 2. Press and hold the button until the counter shows 0. 3. Count slowly to 6 before removing the needle. Step 5. After your injection. 1. Carefully remove the needle using the outer cap. 2. Dispose it off in a sharps container. 3. Put the pen cap back after first use. Store for up to 6 weeks below 30 degrees Celsius or between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. Do not freeze.